How to generate a battery energy estimation report in Windows 10. Caring for your device battery starts with knowing how you expend its energy. Here's a guide on how to generate a battery energy estimation report in Windows 10. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Core metrics of a battery energy estimation report. Are you taking care of your laptop battery well? The answer may seem straightforward, but it actually requires a deep and comprehensive examination of each component. Fortunately, users don't need to perform a long and meticulous data gathering when their Windows system can do it for them in the form of a battery energy estimation report. This report can summarize everything about your battery in 4 primary core metrics: power state transitions, record times in active, sleep, and hibernate modes, system power consumption patterns, to show periods of both idle and active consumption, battery health indicators, to contrast the battery's design and current capacity, and usage cycles, to identify apps and activities affecting battery life. How to use Command Prompt or PowerShell to produce a battery energy estimation report. You can request such a report easily by following these steps. First, access Command Prompt or PowerShell as an administrator and use the following PowerCFG commands: PowerCFG/battery report to generate a battery report, PowerCFG/energy for a full system energy diagnostics, and PowerCFG/sleep study, which details power state transitions. Then you can customize output parameters by choosing report duration, output location, and detail level. How to examine your device's battery stats. Once you have the numbers, it's time to examine them. Track how much energy your unit consumes during its most active or idle periods. Check your charging patterns, from charging duration to voltage fluctuations. Monitor how your battery performs compared to its specified design. And list down applications and software programs that are consuming the most power. How to optimize your laptop battery. Such findings can help you make more informed decisions about your battery. Here are some tips to consider. Look out for signs that your battery needs replacement, such as below capacity performance and irregular charging patterns. Optimize your battery use with practices like maintaining a 20 to 80% range, scheduling your charging times, and avoiding shallow discharges or exposure to high temperatures. And finally, set and adjust your power settings that fit your device use. A healthy battery makes your PC's lifespan last longer and perform better in the long term. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to generate a battery energy estimation report, linked in the description below.